So, peeps, for far too long, Jamaica has been a society where family members and friends of known criminals protect them, and when they are killed by the police, them come out and block road and burn tie and demonstrate to them innocent and them a choir boy and deacon and a portion of things. You understand? And recently, one of St. James' most wanted man, Ryan Ratty Peter King, was killed by the police. And this situation is one where you have to sit back and look. Because long before his death, family members would have come out publicly to state that they either want him captured by the police or killed by the police or killed some way or another, because he was making their lives uncomfortable as persons who were in conflict with him was targeting his family. The situation was so bad apparently where we are now seeing family members coming out saying that they are happy and actually celebrating his death. Ratty Dog is whole. Late gangster's family wants a normal life again. We're going to talk about that a little.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
On February 13th, 2018, an article was posted on one of the online media sources with the headline, "Relatives Want Gangster Captured," and it was in relation to Ratty, and the first part of it read, "Relatives of one of St. James's most wanted criminals, Ryan Ratty, says they are desperate for the security forces to bring an end to his illegal activities in order to return some level of dignity to the family's name." So the family would have gotten their desire and their dream per se would have come true. Relatives of Ryan, a notorious gangster who was shot dead in a confrontation with the security forces recently, say while the reality of his death is just sinking in, they are happy that their lives can now return to normal. Peter King was the fearsome leader of the Ratty gang that operated out of Cambridge and Retrieve in St. James, and was implicated in at least 5 murders, several shooting incidents and other crimes. He evaded capture for several months and was embroiled in an ongoing feud with one of his top lieutenants that has left several of Peter King's relatives dead. "If it sounds away, I am sorry, but I am relieved," said one relative. "I support my folks who might be mourning at this time, but the end result is due to the choice that he made." The relative added, "At least we can live our lives without the shadow of his notoriety over our heads, especially for my children, who are just now stepping out in the work world and would have to declare that they live in Retrieve." Relatives has distanced themselves after being forced to bury a number of their own. But according to one man who was close to the family, there is still a feeling of uncertainty. "No one is sure what will happen next," he said. "If them glad, them can't show it, especially around the family inner circle, or is next war police have to come deal with." According to the reports, Ratty and an accomplice engaged members of the security forces in a fierce gunfight after they went to a house in Berkshire on the border of Westmoreland and St. Elizabeth to issue an arrest warrant on the gangster. Both men were pronounced dead at the Savannah Lamar Hospital. An AK-47 rifle and a .38 revolver were recovered by the security team.
You know, it's Teach Them, the #1 intellectual blogging panel on the YouTube channel.
So I know that some persons will say, but Teach, them family members have to go because what them did there when them kill people left, right and center. But I want to remind you that this man was a man who is alleged to have even killed his own family members from an incident which stemmed from a party that he and his friend would have hosted in the Cambridge area, and he would have killed some goats and some chickens belonging to a family member. And when the family member raised concerns about the issue, him and his friend them kicked down the door and killed the woman and his daughter. You understand? So were these family members able to actually do much about his situation apart from wanting him dead? I am not sure. So irrespective of whether or not the family member could have done much to deal with the situation in the past is inconsequential, because the records are there to show that they would have publicly stated before that they want police to get rid of this brother. You understand me? I say, and their dreams, their prayers were answered and they got their wish. You understand? And it's a bit refreshing to see a family coming out and saying, "Look here, man, even though this man a part of a family, he's a criminal and we need to get rid of him. We have a situation where too many families, too many friends protect known criminals and they help to contribute to the proliferation of crime and violence in the country, and it is commendable for these persons to actually say, yes, here we go on. We know him a criminal, and we want them deal with him, and so said, so done. You understand what them say? Too much rat dig bad hole, but this a one man a dig bad hole for himself and him friends. A minute, I just say go. As Taurus Riley said, we're bad manning up. Graveyard. Done. I'm out. This video was made possible through the continued generosity of my patrons. To become a patron, follow the link in the description below.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's Teach Them right here. Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.